Trend lines. Some traders love them, others absolutely hate them. They are one of the most basic tools in technical analysis, yet one of the most debated. And why? Because drawing trend lines is subjective. Two traders can look at the exactly same charts and draw completely different lines. However, there's a new and free TradingView indicator that almost no one knows about, that eliminates all the guesswork. It draws trend lines for you automatically, detects breakouts in real time, and even plots long and short signals on the chart. No bias, no second guessing, just real structure, ready to use. And here's the best part. I used this tool to create a scalping strategy on Bitcoin, and it produced over 50% profit per month. So in this video, I'll walk you through the full setup, share the results, and give you my custom TradingView script so you can use it right away. My name is ATP, and let's get started. So let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. If you don't have a TradingView account yet, you can create a free one using my link in the description. It only takes a few seconds. Now, once you are inside TradingView, click on the Indicators tab and search for Liquidity Trendline with Signals. It's the one by Big Beluga. Once added to your chart, you will instantly see that it draws trend lines both above and below the price, identifying zones of support and resistance. But this isn't just a visual tool, it actively scans for breakouts. Whenever price breaks a trend line, it plots an arrow, blue for potential long setups when the price breaks and closes above an upper trend line, and red for short setups when the price breaks and closes below a lower trend line. And as you can see, many of these breakouts can catch powerful moves. But of course, not every signal is perfect. Sometimes you'll see breakouts that immediately reverse, the classic fake outs. And that's where most traders lose money. So how can we avoid these fake breakouts? A simple but powerful solution is to only take trades in the direction of the major market trend. And why? Because trend lines work best as continuation patterns. When you go with the trend, your trades have higher chances of price continuation. So, to identify the trend, we are going to use one of the simplest tools that exists, a simple moving average, also known as SMA. If you are new to this, an SMA takes the average price over a fixed number of candles and smooths out the noise, giving us a clean and easy to read trend direction. In this strategy, we will use a length of 100. And here's the rules. We will only take long positions from the trend lines when the price is above the SMA line, meaning the market is in an uptrend. And we will only take short trades when the price is below it, meaning we are in a downtrend. This filter alone helps eliminate lots of fake entries, and it's super easy to add to any chart. Now that we have filtered out bad signals using the SMA and know exactly when to enter in a position, let's talk about risk management, specifically how we set up our stop loss and take profit targets. For that, we are going to use one of my favorite free TradingView indicators called ATR bands. ATR stands for Average True Range, and it measures how much an asset typically moves over a certain number of candles. It's one of the most reliable ways to adapt your risk management to the current market conditions. So, instead of placing random stop losses, we use the ATR to define a smart distance based on recent volatility. Once you have added the indicator to your chart, you will see two bands. One above the price, the upper band, and one below it, the lower band. In our strategy, we'll set the multiplier to 3, which means the bands will be 3 times the ATR away from the current price, wide enough to avoid noise. And here's how we use it. On the long signal, we place the stop loss on the lower ATR band and the take profit on the upper one. On the short signal, we do the opposite. The stop loss goes on to the upper band and the take profit on the lower one. This setup is clean, consistent and easy to apply. So at this point, our scalping strategy is fully defined and ready to use. But before I show you the actual results, including how this strategy delivered over 50% profit per month, let me just make your life a little easier. Instead of adding all these indicators individually on your chart and checking each rule manually, I have created a custom TradingView script that combines everything into one powerful tool. It draws the trend lines, applies the SMA filter, calculates the ATR bands, and plots only the valid buy and sell signals directly on your chart, exactly as we have defined. If you want to use it, it's free. Just head over to my Discord community, the link is in the description, go to the free materials channel and you will find the full Pine script code there. Open up the node, copy the code, and then on TradingView, click on the Pine editor, then on this arrow, create new, indicator, paste the code and save it. Finally, click on the add to chart option and that's it. Your strategy is now fully automated. You can even set alerts so you don't need to monitor the screen all the time. Just select the indicator, choose the condition buy or sell, and the TradingView will notify you as soon as the signal fires. Now let's talk about the results. We tested this exact scalping strategy on Bitcoin using all available data from the 5-minute time frame over the last 2 months, and the performance, honestly, very impressive. Nearly 100% total profit, which averaged around 50% per month, a solid 55.61% win rate, only 10% drawdown, a profit factor above 1.5, and a total of 187 trades, which means about 3 trades per day. Also, as you can see on the equity curve, the strategy massively outperformed the buy and hold equity, with more efficiency and less risk. And no, these are not cherry-picked trades. The test was run across all signals objectively using our indicators testing bot. If you don't know, the ATP indicators testing bot is one of the most powerful tools we have built so far. It lets you run automated backtests on thousands of trades using real data, multiple time frames and multiple pairs, all of this in just a few seconds. But it doesn't stop there. We have added nearly 100 indicators that you can mix and match, from trend filters, oscillators, entry signals, exit systems and more. You can also automate your full strategy for live trading and choose between fixed take profits or our advanced trailing stop systems, built for maximum efficiency and tested across every market. At the moment, over 200 traders are already using it to test their strategies, indicators and trading ideas. Plus, there is a free user guide that you can download to help you start right away. If you want access, all the details are on our website, algotradepro.com. And by the way, with the indicators testing bot, you can also upgrade this exact strategy by adding custom filters like a C2 trend indicator or a volume confirmation and instantly test the impact. It's super easy to optimize and fine-tune for even better results. And that's it. A simple but powerful strategy that removes the subjectivity of trend lines, adapts to market volatility and delivers serious performance. I hope this gave you a fresh perspective on how to actually make trend lines work, not just visually but profitably. So, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more and let me know in the comments what indicator or strategy you want me to test next. I'm ATP, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.